Good morning, students. I am Divakar Pandey from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada, and welcome back to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you the second chapter of SST, and this chapter has been taken from class 5. The topic is locating places. Before this chapter, I have already discussed you about globe, and now on a globe we have to learn how can we locate places. So in this chapter, let us study about latitude, longitude and grid also. Now come to the chapter. As we know, a large number of continents, oceans, countries and cities are marked on a globe. It means when we study about globe, as we know, a globe is a small model of the earth that gives us an accurate idea about the shape of the earth's surface, and on the earth's surface on a globe we can locate continents, oceans, countries and cities because these are marked on a globe. Without any reference point, it is very difficult to locate a place on a globe. So, to locate a place, we need certain reference points that help us to be familiar about a particular place on a globe. When we look at a globe, we see only its one side. It means we can see only one part of the globe in one time. But when we want to see the other side, we have to rotate it. And like this, when we rotate a globe on a rod that passes through it, it is called the axis. It means axis is an imaginary line on which the earth rotates like a globe. Do you know? This axis has two endpoints. It means there are two endpoints of an axis on which our earth is rotating, that are called the poles. The point at the top is called the North Pole and the South, it means, and the point at the bottom is called the South Pole. Like this, there are two poles of the earth, North Pole and South Pole. On a globe, we can also see a number of lines. Do you know what are these lines? Yes, these are imaginary lines that make it simple to locate a place. There are two types of lines on a globe, that is known as latitude and second is known as longitude. It means latitude and longitude, these are two types of lines on a globe. We can see it according to this picture. Now we come to know about latitude. What are latitudes? An imaginary line, it means those imaginary lines that are drawn halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole are called, it means an imaginary line that is drawn halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole is called the equator. It means equator is that imaginary line which is drawn between halfway between the North Pole and South Pole, and it is called equator because it divides our earth into two equal halves. The part of the earth which lies to the north of the equator is known as the northern hemisphere, and the part which lies toward the South Pole is known as southern hemisphere. Like this, the imaginary lines drawn parallel to the equator in both hemispheres that are known as parallels of latitude, as you can see in this picture.